We guide you through how to change Siri's name to anything on iPhone, or more accurately, how to change what Siri calls you. First thing you need to do is open the Contacts app on your iPhone and tap your own contact card at the top. Then, tap Edit, then scroll down and select Add Field, choose Nickname, and type the name you want Siri to call you. Save the changes, then open Settings, go to Siri and search, tap My Information, and make sure your contact card is selected. Next, activate Siri and say, "Call me by my chosen name," or your chosen name. Siri will ask for confirmation, and once you agree, Siri will use that name going forward. While Siri's own name can't be changed officially, this method lets you personalize how Siri addresses you on your iPhone.